so they brought the wrong truck, you know. Even though I called 3 times, that's just the stuff that happens, but you make it work. So we'll figure something out. Get under it a little bit and get it out, or do you want to put I guess you can't put that down first because I wouldn't get close enough, right?
Well, get out at least that much.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll slide with me when I lift it. All right, well, let me get set up in here and we'll get going. Mark.
Little more. I think he's lowering it.
Is he?
Yes, he's lowering it.
Am I even?
Stop. Going down a little. Down.
Let's check that no holes or nothing. Oh man, that was a lot of work, guys. 960-pound crate. Had to get it in here with the skid steer. The skid steer was kind of messing up today. Something wrong with the voltage regulator, wouldn't start. Finally got it started, wouldn't stay running. But as you can see, it is here. The plane that we are going to be building is here in the shop now. So we're gonna take a quick break. We're going to get cracking a lacking and take a look at what's inside of this gigantic box. Now I'm 5'11", and this box comes up to my shoulders here. So big crate to get cracking on, and glad to have you guys along for the journey. And it's here. We're gonna get started. So let's get going. All right, guys, well, it's finally time to get started building my airplane. What airplane am I building, guys? Well, it's the Zenith CH-750 Super Duty. This is a STOL aircraft. It's actually a 3-place, all-metal construction aircraft built by, or actually sold by Zenith Aircraft. I'll be building the aircraft. I would love to have you guys along for the build. If you're already building a Zenith aircraft and you've got some tips or pointers for me, please leave them down below in the comment section. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and the playlist, because we have a special playlist just for this build. The plan right now is to put out weekly summary videos of what I've constructed throughout the week. Now, if you have specific questions or you want to see more detail on a section of this fuselage construction or the total airframe construction, please also leave that down below. So we're excited to have you guys along. Again, it's Adam in the AeroWorks workshop. And please join me for the CH-750 Super Duty build video series.